Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Welcome to Vlog Channel! Yay! And today's video, ipapakita namin ang aming swimming time.
Yes!
So, nagun sa ka-swimming pool ganina. Happy?
Happy body.
Happy pod?
Si Babid. Tede.
Babid? What can you say, Babid? Happy?
Happy. Happy.
Happy si Babid.
Happy siya.
Ali, ati. Ipakita giun sa mo pag-swim ganina. Ipakita.
Nana.
Da. Wow. Ipakita, Babid. Nag-swim ka ganina. Swim ni mo ganina. Dali na. Dali na kayo mag-swim biya taron. My name is Lanel
Nimbaya. Adaya.
Bayuna.
Bayuna.
What is your name?
Ha?
What is your name? Ano sa iyang name?
Ako, Baya.
Kani?
Si Babid Bud.
Babid? Gwapo, Babid?
Babid.
Gwapo, Babid. Uy.
Ay, kakukubiya si Yuya.
Ha?
Si Yuya.
Ina, gwapo, Babid. Uy.
Yuya!
Gwapo, Babid. Uy.
Labang na okay.
So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. So, tigo. Hi guys!
Hi,
Welcome
guys.
to our
Welcome.
channel! Yay! So, karon nag-swimming ni with Ati Baya
With Adi Baya.
and Kuya Bibid. Ali, Bid.
Kuya Babid.
Kuya Babid. Nagun sa maka-swimming ganina.
Ano? Hida ko.
Ha?
Hida ko, anak.
Swim ka?
Hi guys! So, Shannon! Si Mario, si Papa ni Sining, si Elisa. Din sini kay Pat mo kasi mami uwi namin ng kusos, ideas, and shoes. My name is Ninibaya. Ikaw itabi.
My name is Charlene Bayonas. And you?
Ayo
My name is
Panunas.
Linel
Nenay,
Baya
Baya,
Bayunas.
Badunas.
And you, what is your name?
Ha?
What is your name?
Ako.
My name is Babid.
My name is Bunny.
Gapua Babid, uy.
Boy, Babidoy.
Pua Babid, uy.
Say.
Let's go. So, that's all for today. Bye-bye. Hi guys! Welcome to Vlad's Vlog Channel! Yay! Dan satu. Tina. Okay. Hi guys!
Guys.
Welcome. Ay, lagi labti. Welcome to our channel.
Welcome kanin away. Jumpa nice. Cheese. Hipna.
Hi guys! Welcome to our channel! And today's video, ipakikilala ko sa inyo ang aking pamangkin na si Baya! Siya ay makulit. Iyahang mama si Mama. Kisa yung mama.
Munaris.
Kisa aka Mama.
Mama.
So,
So,
bye-bye!
bye-bye.
Hi guys! Welcome to our channel!
Sibin.
And today's video, gagawa tayo ng macaroni salad!
Diba?
Sige na, istorya na, dali na! My name is... Uy! My name is... Sige na. My name is Linel Baya. Yay! Ito naman ang... Day. Okay?
Asa gawi, sakyanan ma.
Day. Kaya huwag tapuhan na nimo.
Sige. Abet. Bagat na, bagat. Sinabi na, tawa-tawa sa bit.
Balik! Sige na ina!
Gulit ba na, gulit ba? Ang naong na bit. Ilabi na, gulit yun. Tombong as na bit.
Uy! Uy!
Eme, eme.
Balik ako sa natin. Gunit daw.
Tarong gunit, tarong gunit, tarong. Kaka. Uy, beso si Leo, bukatan si Leo, gulik ko.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me?